Morning everyone, I am Karnyakant Karnati and in this video I will be explaining some important JavaScript topics such as objects, functions, where, let and constant and JavaScript modules. I will also demonstrate this concept through simple code examples. So let's get started. Now, our first topic is object. What are objects? Can you anyone tell? Objects are collections of properties and methods in JavaScript. Properties are key value pairs and methods are functions inside an object. Now, this is the example code I have written here. In this example, name and age are properties and greet is a function or a method. It is a function inside the object. Here, this keyword refers to current object, allowing the greet method to access the name property dynamically. We are seeing this keyword. This is used to refer the current object, allowing to access name property dynamically. So for this, the output is, now I am running it. We have accessed the name and age of the person. You can see the output here. Now by seeing it, we can say that our next topic is nested objects. What are the nested objects? An object that can have another object as a property is called nested object. Here the marks is the nested object. We use dot notation to access the properties inside the nested objects. Now you can see the output 90. It accessed the marks in the match subject of the student object. 90 marks. It has been came as output here. Now the next topic is functions inside object. Here why we use functions in objects. Functions inside objects define behavior or actions associated with the objects. Here the start method describes what the car object can do. We can see the output. The car has started. It has been came as output inside the function which is inside the car object. Here dot operation is used to access the function. Now let us discuss about function. Function is divided into two parts: function declaration, function expression, and it has types that arrow function, etc. Now function declaration. It can be used before is defined because of hosting. See, we have declared the function here and return type and console log for giving the output. And now function expression. Function expression is a function which is stored in a variable. And arrow functions. Arrow functions, it is a constant way to write functions. Does not have its own see, we have given the output 5 to 6. First function call 2 plus 3 5, and function expression here we have given 5 minus 3 return type 2 answer 2, and in this 2 into 3 6 we have came the best outputs here. This keyword, why this keyword is used? This keyword refers to the current executive context. Here this dot name refers to the name property of object. Arrow function. Arrow functions do not have their own this dot keyword. Instead, they inherit this keyword from their parent context. Here, this keyword is inherited from the parent object. Now, the output of this is Venki. It has been given here. Now let us discuss about variable declaration. Variable declaration is of three types: var, let, and const. Here, first var. Var is a function scoped, so the value inside the block overrides the outer one. Here, the value inside the function overrides the outer one. So x value is here 20. Let us see. Now wait a second. Now see it. Here the 20 is overwritten of 10. See the value is 20 inside the function value. Where is a function scoped? The value inside the block is overwritten the outer one. Now our next variable declaration is let. Let is block scoped, so changes inside the block does not affect the outer variable. Here the changes inside the block does not affect the outer variable. Let us see the output. 10. The 20 does not affect the outer value of y. Const. Const creates a constant value that cannot be reassigned. So here the constant value z is 10 is declared. It is reassigned as 20. So it does not give the output, it will give the error. Let us see the output here. See, error, type error has been given. So this is the topic of variables, and next we are going to discuss modules. Now the next topic is modules. There are modules in JavaScript. Now we can see ES6 modules, that is import and export. Now let us see in this math.js file. I have created the file name called math.js. It has two export functions, add and subtract. Add takes two numbers as argument and returns the sum. Subtract takes two numbers as argument and returns the difference between 1 and 2. Here these are export functions, and this another document main.js. We have written the math.js file name. You import the add and subtract functions from math.js. Calling add and add of 2, 3, it gives the output 5. And calling subtract function, it gives output 3. Here Let us see the outputs. 5 comma 3. These are given because I have accessed the math.js file in main.js file. These are the topics I have explained today. Thanking you. See you later. Bye.